In 60 seconds I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Apple mouse. First, flip the mouse and check the underside to confirm the battery type, AA or CR2032. Power off the mouse and work on a clean, flat surface with good light. Slide the top cover open using gentle pressure to expose the battery compartment. Locate the battery compartment and note the current battery orientation before removing it. Carefully remove the old battery using a fingertip or a soft non-metal tool to avoid damage. Insert the new battery matching the positive and negative ends exactly as shown. Use the correct battery type, for example AA or CR2032, and avoid contact with metal objects. Ensure the battery sits flush, then reattach the cover until it clicks into place. Turn the mouse back on and pair or test it by moving the cursor and clicking. Dispose of the old battery responsibly, keep replacements away from children and pets. That's it. Your Apple mouse is ready to use. Thanks for watching these quick, captioned steps.